Hello. Okay, so let's look at these two. Okay, so when you see a problem like this, you're like, oh, let's check to see if we can use L'Hopital's. That's always kind of the process. You're like, I can't do anything algebraically. I'm going to check if I can use L'Hopital's. So you put in 0. So that's 0 minus sine of 0 over 0 plus sine of 0. So you're like, okay, that's 0 over 0. Okay, so that means we can rewrite this to an equivalent limit. We're going to take the derivatives. Okay, so the derivative of the numerator is 7 minus cosine of x over 2x plus cosine of 3x. And you guys rocked baby chain rule, so don't forget, times 3. And then you do it again. The hope is that you've changed the function into something that you can evaluate with this number. So let's kind of check on the side. Okay. 7 minus cosine of 0, but that's 1, over 2 times 0, which is 0, minus, plus cosine of 3 times 0 is 0, times 3, but that's 1 again. So I get 6 over 3. Oh, so now I can evaluate it. And that's worth 2. So I know this limit is 2. Awesome. Okay, now if you remember, when we first started derivatives, we did a bunch of things. There's 2 ways to recognize that this limit is a derivative. You're essentially getting slope. It's y minus y, and then the denominator is the x minus x. But in this case, it's going to drop out to just be h. Sometimes you'll have this one. Let's say the limit as x is approaching some number, and it's f of that x minus f of that a, whole thing x minus a. That's my goal. Okay, so if you recognize that it's the derivative in disguise, you're like, oh, the function is here twice. So the function is ln of x. I have to find the derivative at 4. So I know f prime of x is 1 over x. And so at 4, you would be 1/4. So there's one way. You could do L'Hopital's rule too. So remember, you're going to check. So first you got to look at the input to the limit and put the number in. So the ln of 4 plus 0 minus the ln of 4 over 0. And these are the same number, so that's 0. So like, okay, I can use L'Hopital's rule. Okay, so that's equal to the limit as h goes to 0 of the derivative for ln of something is 1 over 4 plus that something. No chain rule. And ln of 4 is a number, so its derivative is 0. And the derivative of the variable h is 1. Okay, so now let's check. Now let's put 0 in there. So 1 over 4 plus 0 minus 0 over 1. There's just a quarter in the numerator and 1 in the denominator. So either way, we get a 4th.